Today is the Environmental Award Ceremony celebration. This day concludes 12 months of strong effort in relation to analysis, data collection, inspection, hard work from all parties, including Red Sea Global, contractors, and operators. For the third year in a row, this event is being attended by our group CEO and our senior management to show their high commitment towards the environment. Following our group CEO vision, excellence is always our objective. When it comes to environment, excellence is not a choice, it is a mandatory commitment.